Hello everyone, it's your Options Guy. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and we're just going to get a sense of like what's going on, what's the news of today, why did it spike, like what's going on. I'll basically go over like the chart with you guys and try to decipher like what's going on and where I think it's headed. We'll cover like what's going on with the shorts and like are they increasing or decreasing, what's going on with that. We'll cover some option data and then just talk about like where like the main max pain price is and where the most interest is and all that good stuff. And then of course we'll cover the news of today and go over that in detail. And then also I wanted to show you guys like this Wyckoff event, which is basically very similar to like this chart right here, and then I'll go into detail of like why it's very similar. And yeah, so lots of stuff to talk about. So I just want to emphasize I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. Go ahead and check out my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button the same way you hit the ask on Bitcoin. So let's get into it. So this is my portfolio, currently at 81,000. I was down like to 71 not that long ago. It's been like crazy up and down price swings, especially like the past 2 weeks. So now let's take a look at Bitcoin. So basically I want to show you guys, like you see like this phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D, phase E. So this pattern that Bitcoin had like not too long ago, it was very similar to like this Wyckoff accumulation pattern. So you can basically see like the phases and so on. So basically that's like very similar to what we had. I mean, it's almost like a playbook. So as you can see here, like this square down here, that's basically where I was accumulating Bitcoin. I was trying to buy into the fear. And then we broke out of this 40,000 resistance, or it used to be the 40,000 was the resistance, and then we broke out of it, and then we're basically in this like phase E type of situation over here. So as you can see, 30,000 was a strong previous support. 40,000 is now the current strong support. So we basically bounced off that 40,000 support, and also we bounced off this orange line, which is the 100-day moving average. So we bounced off that line. So we're still kind of in this descending triangle type of wedge pattern here. So I do see us retesting that 40 support again, at least maybe one more time, and then bouncing off of that. Hopefully we'll see. 53,000 around there is kind of like the strong resistance. So basically in terms of short term, we have to break that 45,000 resistance level, which is around here. If we can break above that, then it's looking even more bullish. So far I think we're in a small bearish type of pattern, but overall I think it's overall bullish. And I do foresee us, like after September, I do foresee Bitcoin basically blasting off past like into higher levels past 50 and so on, because I feel like October is going to start like there's a couple things that are coming. So October, it's a potential that there might be a Bitcoin futures ETF approved by the SEC in October. And if that happens, that's really big news. It could cause like a domino effect into many things, and especially in the US. So also in November, that's coming. I believe like the whole Lightning Network, it's going to be like fully implemented, and it's going to make Bitcoin transactions a lot faster, like lightning speed. And so that's really good news. And then on top of that, there's still a lot of bets and a lot of analysts saying that, it has a potential to hit 100,000 by the end of the year. So looking forward to that. So that's basically like where we're at right now. 40,000 is current strong support. 53,000 is what we need to break. So we're gonna be playing like within this gap for a little bit. Anyway, so on the news of today, basically Twitter enables tipping with Bitcoin, allowing users to conduct payments. So Twitter has implemented Bitcoin payment services, allows users to make Bitcoin payments, and the social platform will not process the payment itself. It would actually use Strike to do the payment processing. Also, it's currently being rolled out in iOS with Android to follow. So pretty big news. Basically implementing a type of like payment method within like a big social media platform as Twitter. So if this is successful, who knows, maybe Facebook or YouTube might follow, TikTok, who knows, right? So this is pretty good news, and it's again breaking into the adoption, so increasing the adoption for Bitcoin. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin shorts, so far the shorts haven't really changed their position lately. They're still around this 1700 range. So we take a look at the past day, they've been increasing slightly. I think they feel like 45,000 is not gonna break, so they're gonna try bringing it back down underneath 44,000. So if we look at the Bitcoin options that are expiring for tomorrow, max pain price is 44,000. So basically that means that the bears are trying to keep it underneath 44,000, preferably like 42,000 and lower. That's basically where they start making like pretty good profits there. And the bulls, obviously they want to get above 44,000. They want to be within that 45,000 range and higher. So that's basically like what's going on. So we're gonna see how it plays out tomorrow, and if the bulls can keep this range at 40, it's at 44,300 right now. If the bulls can keep it above 44,000 until tomorrow, it's looking really good for the bulls. The shorts might start liquidating some positions, they might start covering, and then it'll increase the price of Bitcoin. So all in all, that's basically like the news of what's going on right now with Bitcoin. And basically Twitter has just enabled the tipping in its platform, and that's basically it for the news of today. Go ahead and check out my channel. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and leave any comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.